I don't see my boss. So I don't see my boss. Don't be sponsor to know. This one our boss easy with this. So my chairman show face for camera. Now boss easy with this. So who don't know how I'm gonna today? Boss, I will tell camera your name beg.
My name is Mr. Easy.
I swear, Easy Nation. No be choice. So no be choice. Boss, make I just run small test for you. Make I just run small test.
Sure.
You say your babe go pass our babe.
I did.
Okay, I won't make you call your babe now. You don't marry now. Your wife. Make I not call her your babe.
Yeah.
Tell her say you get where you go hit your car now. Yeah. Say they say make you bring 300,000. Say make you transfer 300,000 for you. No.
Okay, oh
okay. Tell her making transfer. If you transfer 300,000 for my boss, I gonna say a wife really love her. I have no be small something. No. In the ring.
Sure.
Put that last speaker, make
in that sense.
It's ringing, Stay tuned. Don't forget to share this thing. You should try pick a problem video.
Hello, baby Alpha. Biko. Just I'm run to go drum transfer 300,000. Now, only I can gabasha my motor here. That very like that. Nah, second, if you see my bumper, my bumper don't scatter. It don't scatter. I'm how much one what you feel do? 100. Okay, based on you're open call.
Okay.
I bet you I'm send that to my OP. After we discuss about it. In Lotago, they need to paper for the car. Na road. Mbamba. To my OP.
No be choice, no be choice. Child, it's good to have a loving wife and a loving girlfriend. I can't believe this. Like your wife sent 300k. My boss. See, I just want to be you. Very soon now you go get a lot. No be supposed something. Hi, it's good to have a good wife. Honestly, like someone you can just call, someone that you can just know that his or her is of help to you. I can't believe this is actually happening. Just stay tuned. Let's get the alert here. So you know that it's real.
A few moments later.
Let me just check. I think she have sent it. Come here, come close. Come and see the debit. I mean the credits. It's real.
Oh my God! Wow!
I can't just believe this. To have a wife that will turn up for you. This is really loving. It's really amazing. Boss, I beg, look at the camera. Tell them how good having someone that can turn up for you is.
Yeah, it's very good. It's very nice to have someone that you call your wife that got your back, that will turn up for you in any way or the other. She must be there for you. It's very good. It's very nice.
Like I can't just believe this. Like since my life, no woman where I don't call for phone, she don't send me money. I'm so happy for you, boss. Just stay tuned, subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to share.